All right, today I have a Toyota Tacoma and I'm going to show you how to operate the headlights. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the headlights. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking lights. I'm showing you how to turn on the fog lights. I'm going to show you how to turn them off as well. I'm going to show you how to turn on the automatic lights on this Toyota Tacoma, as well as the parking lights and the high beam headlights. I'm going to go over all of that. So stay tuned, stay put, and get ready for this show. All right, so, also, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up? I'll appreciate it. So I'm inside of the Toyota Tacoma. The vehicle's on. What I'm going to do is I am looking through the instrument panel, not through the instrument panel, the steering wheel. And on the steering wheel right here, you have this knob. Now, this knob is for the headlights, all right? And what are we doing today? We're going to turn on and off the headlights, the fog lights, the parking lights, and the automatic lights. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and show you the parking lights first. And so with the parking lights, I just simply go all the way up to this right here. When it's lined up, that is the parking lights, or the lamps, or lights, or all the lights, whatever you want to call it. Now, when I want to turn on the headlights, not the auto feature, I'm going to take the same knob right here and I'm going to take it and put it right there. So it's lined up right there. You see that? When this is lined in with this beam that looks like a spaceship or a UFO going right, that means that the headlights are in the on position. And it shows on the instrument panel right there. Let me see if the fog lights do it too. Nope, just the headlights. That green light right there, that's indicative of the, drum roll, headlights. All right, so now I'm going to show you the parking lights. Remember the parking lights, when it is lined up right here on the spaceships that are, looks like they're going like they're ramming each other, that right there, that is the parking light. All right, so it's lined up with that, so that's on. Now, what I like to do is I like to put it in the auto setting. But before I go to the auto setting and tell you about that, I'll show you where the fog lamp is. Do you see this knob right here? This knob, it's lined up with the off. So the fog lights are off. If I want to turn them on, I go right here, and you see it's lined up right there. And if you look up on the instrument panel, right here, on the instrument panel, it is on right here. Now, the fog lights will only stay on. See that when the spaceship going that way? The fog lights will only stay on if the headlights are on right here. All right, so they only stay on right there. If they're in an auto position, which I'll go on over in a second, it will automatically turn on the fog lights if it needs it, I think. You might have to read your owner's manual to know for sure. But let's go ahead and talk about, after I turn off the fog lights, you turn them off by simply going, say for instance your headlights is on, I simply go right here and turn that off right there. Do you see that? So the fog lights are off. Now to talk about the auto headlights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this knob, go right there, and you see that? It is in the auto position right there. The auto position, that means that the vehicle will determine itself when the headlights are needed, all right? So when the headlights are needed. But stay tuned, we're going to talk about the high beam headlights. So when you're outside and it's dark outside, the lights will automatically turn on by themselves. Or if it's bright outside or in the daytime, they will turn off, okay? So we have the auto. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the on position right here. So with the on position, if I wanna turn on the headlights or the high beam headlights, I can pull it. And you see that blue light right there? It clicked on, it's on right there. Yes, it goes on, but guess what happens when I release it? The high beam headlights automatically turn off. Now, if you want them to stay on, okay, say for instance you're going down that lonely dark road, all right, and it's really dark, no lights, nobody coming or whatever, you go right here, and you see this right here, you'll push this, and when you push that, look at that blue light. It stays on by itself. No need to hold it or anything, it stays on, and it will not go off until I come right here and I take this lever and pull it towards me, and look right there. The high beam headlights are now off. All right, so that is those lights. And let me talk about the instrument panel lights. How you turn on and off the instrument panel lights on the vehicle is by simply coming over here Instrument panel lights, how you brighten or dim them, you just simply go right here, press this button, and I'm pressing it and it's changing the light, okay? So look right here. So if I press this, it keeps on getting dimmer, dimmer, dimmer until it gets back to the top to the brightness. And you notice that the instrument panel lights are going off. They're getting dimmer, and then it goes back up to the highest one, which is the brightest, okay? It will show a lot more in the nighttime instead of and during the daytime when you're driving. All right, so this is how it goes. All right, so that is the instrument panel lights. All right. Also, for the auto headlights, if you want the auto headlights to have the high beam auto headlights, if you want the high beam auto headlights, what you'll do is I'm coming back to this because I forgot to talk about this before. I'll take this knob and put it into the auto selection right here, and then I will come down right here and I'll press that. And so when that's pressed right there, the high beam headlights will turn on automatically and off when you're driving. So you don't need to constantly turn it on and off. Okay, so that is the auto. So I like to keep this pressed in and keep that on when I'm in the auto, so I don't have to do the regular high beam lights with it in manual mode. All right, I also want to tell you how to turn on the cargo lights inside of the vehicle. So in the back, in the cargo area, you have, not the cab area, the cargo area, you also have lights, okay? So, let me do that. So you also have lights. Now, to turn them on, you just simply go down here, and you see where the door light is at right here? This door thing right here, if it's in the off, the cargo lights will not be on. But if I put it in the center, they will turn on with the door open. If I put it right here, they are now in the on position, then they are on regardless if the door is open or not. And I'll show you what they look like. I'll go into the back of the vehicle right here. And when you look in here, you'll see that the lights right here, the cargo, one on the side, one down here, and one right here is on right there. You see that? All right, those are the high beam headlights. And I'll show you what I did again. Down here, just made sure this on position or in the door and that. So I showed you how to turn on the headlights as well as the cargo lights inside of the vehicle. You know what? I really think that I hope this video has been helpful for you. I hope you're able to turn on the headlights and the cargo lights and the instrument panel lights. All of the lights, all of the lights. I'd like to thank you a lot for watching. Thank you.